In today's world, the desire for a clean and healthy living space has led many individuals to seek out effective and environmentally friendly cleaning solutions. Natural cleaning solutions have gained popularity as people become more conscious of the potential harm posed by conventional cleaning products that contain harsh chemicals. These natural alternatives not only help maintain a spotless home, but also contribute to a safer and more sustainable environment. In this video, we will explore the top 8 best natural cleaning solutions, highlighting their benefits and applications. So stay tuned till end of the video and don't miss any of these. But before continuing further, kindly hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. Let's continue with our video. Number 8. White vinegar. White vinegar, a staple in many households, is a versatile natural cleaning agent. Its acidic properties make it an effective disinfectant, deodorizer, and stain remover. When mixed with water, white vinegar can be used to clean glass surfaces, countertops, and even bathroom fixtures. It's particularly useful for removing mineral deposits and soap scum due to its ability to dissolve calcium and magnesium. Moreover, white vinegar can eliminate odors from fabrics, carpets, and trash cans, leaving behind a fresh and clean scent. Number 7. Baking soda. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is another powerhouse natural cleaner. Its mild abrasive nature makes it ideal for scrubbing surfaces without scratching them. Baking soda can be used to clean sinks, ovens, stovetops, and even to remove tough stains from clothing. When combined with water or vinegar, it creates a bubbling reaction that helps break down dirt and grime. Additionally, baking soda can neutralize odors, making it an excellent choice for deodorizing carpets, shoes, and refrigerators. Number 6. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is a natural cleaning solution known for its refreshing scent and antibacterial properties. Its high acidity makes it effective at cutting through grease, dissolving mineral deposits, and brightening surfaces. Lemon juice can be mixed with water to clean cutting boards, sanitize kitchen countertops, and remove stains from clothing. It can also be used to eliminate odors from the microwave and garbage disposal. The natural oils found in lemon peels can be infused into vinegar to create a citrus-scented cleaning solution. Number 5. Castile Soap. Castile Soap, made from plant-based oils, is a gentle yet effective natural cleaner. It comes in liquid and bar forms and can be used for a variety of cleaning purposes. Castile soap is safe for use on a wide range of surfaces, including floors, countertops, and dishes. Its natural formula makes it an eco-friendly alternative to conventional dishwashing and laundry detergents. When diluted with water, Castile soap can also be used as a multipurpose cleaner for windows, mirrors, and bathroom surfaces. Number 4. Essential oils. Essential oils, derived from aromatic plants, not only provide a pleasant fragrance, but also possess powerful cleaning properties. Oils like tea tree, lavender, eucalyptus, and lemon have antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral qualities. When added to natural cleaning solutions, they enhance the effectiveness of the cleaning process while leaving a delightful scent behind. Essential oils can be mixed with water, vinegar, or Castile soap to create customized cleaning sprays for various surfaces. Number 3. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a natural disinfectant and bleaching agent that can be used for cleaning and sanitizing surfaces. It is particularly effective at killing germs, bacteria, and mold. Hydrogen peroxide can be used to clean cutting boards, bathroom tiles, and kitchen appliances. It's also a great stain remover for fabrics and can help lighten grout between tiles. However, it's important to note that hydrogen peroxide should be used with caution on colored fabrics, as it may cause fading. Number 2. Olive oil. Olive oil is not just for cooking. It can also serve as a natural polish and conditioner for various surfaces. When combined with vinegar or lemon juice, olive oil can be used to clean and shine stainless steel appliances, wooden furniture, and leather items. It helps remove fingerprints, smudges, and watermarks while leaving a protective layer that enhances the appearance and longevity of surfaces. Olive oil is a great choice for maintaining a natural and healthy sheen on wood and metal. Number 1. Cornstarch. Cornstarch is a natural cleaning solution that excels at tackling grease and dirt on windows, mirrors, and other glass surfaces. When mixed with water, cornstarch forms a paste that can be applied to glass to effectively remove grime and leave a streak-free shine. It's a non-abrasive option that is safe for delicate surfaces and can be easily rinsed off. Cornstarch can also be used to clean and freshen carpets by sprinkling it on the fibers, allowing it to sit, and then vacuuming it up. As we strive for a cleaner and healthier living environment, the use of natural cleaning solutions has gained significant momentum. These eco-friendly alternatives offer effective cleaning power without the harmful chemicals found in many conventional products. White vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, Castile soap, essential oils, hydrogen peroxide, olive oil, and cornstarch are just a few of the top natural cleaning solutions that can transform your cleaning routine. By incorporating these options into your cleaning arsenal, you can maintain a spotless home while contributing to a greener and more sustainable future. We hope that you have enjoyed our video. Kindly give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. Thanks for watching the video.